Why Lamborghini Huracan can run so fast? This is the answer.
Lamborghini has been building super sports vehicles in Sant'Agata Bolognese, northern Italy, for over 50 years.
Little is what the automobile should provide. When airflow meets the Lambo front split apart, resistance to flow is possible. The aerodynamics package diverts a portion of the wind underneath the automobile and another portion over the roof. The air on the underside of the car is compressed at high speeds, creating a low pressure that pulls the car to the ground. Other features, such as the rear spoiler, guide wind over the car and press it into the tarmac, creating the so-called Venturi effect, which improves performance while consuming less gasoline. To prevent the Italian car from lifting off at high speeds, every component of the vehicle's design is aimed at maximizing aerodynamics. That's why the Huracan's body is adorned with slots and tunnels, which aid in pressing the Sprinter firmly into the road. Lamborghini's 640 horsepower supercars, the Huracan Evo accelerates the 1.4 from 0 to 100 miles per hour in 2.9 seconds. This Italian car, the 200 kilometers an hour mark in 9 seconds. The super sports car's top speed is more than 325 kilometers an hour. The Huracan Evo's four-wheel drive keeps it solidly on the road. A differential also distributes power to each of the four wheels separately. The inner wheels have a lower turning radius than the outer ones when cornering. As a result, the inner ones should rotate at a slower pace, and the outside ones at a quicker speed for optimal grip. In addition, the active rear steering system, ARS, makes the Lambo more agile and stable at high speeds. Sharp fins and rapid curve combinations are no problem for this powerhouse. Every sports car fan's wild side is still brought out by these fighting cars.